Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about cabinet hardware installation. Now, one of the things that's an easy way to update the look or clean up the look of your kitchen after you've been in a while is to change the hardware. Now, this particular cabinets have these brass knobs, but if we wanted to change the look and go with, say, a brushed nickel or an antique look, it's very easy. These simply twist off. They're held in with a screw here and a single hole. Now, in the case if we wanted to go with a different type of handle, say as a 3-inch handle, we can simply use this hole, re-index off that with the dimension of the regular handle, drill another hole, and in the same way we would just screw these back on. So as far as removing and installing cabinet hardware, there's really not a whole lot to it. It's very easy to replace existing hardware or to locate and drill new hardware in to your cabinets. So I'm Tim Gibson with some information on installing cabinet hardware.